Today, we're making brownies aka chocolate happiness squares. They're fudgy, gooey, and best of all, don't require you to actually know how to bake. Which is good, because I don't. Step 1. Melt half a cup of butter with 8 ounces of chocolate. Stir it like you're mixing cement for a chocolate swimming pool. If it looks smooth and shiny, you're on track. If it looks chunky, congrats, you just invented sadness. Step 2. Whisk together 3 eggs and a cup of sugar. Beat it like you're in a rock band, but less cool and with more arm cramps. Step 3. Combine everything. Add half a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and stir until it's thicker than a teenager's diary. Don't overmix, we want brownies, not bricks. Step 4. Pour it into a pan. Try not to eat all the batter with a spoon, remember, we're going for brownies, not regret soup. Step 5. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. The edges should be firm, but the middle's still a little gooey like a pillow with trust issues. And there you have it, fudgy brownies that'll make you the hero of snack time. Simple, sweet, and way cheaper than therapy. Now go grab a square before someone else eats them all.